Hello, welcome to Creating with Kate. Today we're going to be making raised salt paintings. This is a great project because it doesn't take very many supplies and it has a really cool effect. Let's get started. Okay, you're going to need something to paint on. I experimented with different weights of cardstock paper. You'll need a brush or a dropper to distribute your paint, and salt. Any type of salt will work. Liquid glue, white or clear, and liquid watercolors, or food coloring will work if you water it down. I also thought it would be fun to utilize some recycled materials, so I cut out a square from this old cereal box. Next, decide what you would like for your design. You could do something freehand, like this dahlia with a hopeful message. You could also print out a design and then trace over it with your glue. Another option would be to make a little sign. I went with cursive lettering on the top portion of this one. If you go in this direction, make sure you make your letters bigger than I did because this glue will spread. Or you can go with something more abstract and freestyle. There are no wrong answers here. Next, it's time to pour your salt. For convenience, I stuck my salt in a little bowl that I could easily shake over all of my pictures. As you're pouring the salt, make sure that you cover all of the glue completely, because if it's not completely covered, the color will not stick to your glue. And finally, it's time to add some color. I added a good amount of water to my watercolors, making it a more pastel color scheme. But if you want more vibrant colors, just don't add so much water. You can apply your colors either when the glue is wet or dry. If you have little ones helping who may be more heavy-handed with their brushwork, you may consider waiting until the glue is a little more on the dry side. If you use a dropper in place of a brush, make sure that you go easy with the paint so you don't wash it all away. And there you have it, raised salt paintings. This project is more process art than a product you might hang on your wall. These paintings get a bit crumbly as they dry. But the value is in exploration and experimentation, the creative process, and hands-on experience. The value is in the doing. And I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.